circle, counting, and early math thinking with Whale Class. Today, the Baby Shark Tanks of Whale Class enjoyed a fun and engaging learning activity called Letter S Circle, Counting Fun, where children explored letter recognition and early math concepts through hands-on play and interactive learning experiences. Hammy enthusiastically searched for and identified the letter S on learning cards. Every time he recognized the correct letter, he proudly smiled and celebrated his achievement. Traingle carefully observed the number circles, practiced counting objects one by one, and confidently responded to the teacher's questions during the activity. Mina happily participated in matching numbers with the correct quantity, strengthening observation skills and memory through playful learning. Jolly listened attentively to the teacher's instructions, pointed to each number with focus, and enthusiastically counted aloud with friends. Through the Letter S Circle and counting activities, the Baby Shark Tanks developed letter recognition, number awareness, observation skills, memory, logical thinking, and early language abilities in a fun and age-appropriate way. Learning through games and hands-on activities makes educational experiences exciting, engaging, and meaningful for young children. Why is it important for children to learn letters and numbers at an early age? Because early exposure to letters and numbers helps build a strong foundation for language development, logical thinking, memory skills, and confidence in future learning. Dear parents, have you ever practiced letter recognition or counting activities with your child at home? Comment below and let Baby Shark know. Only at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool. Our Baby Shark Tanks explore letters, numbers, and thinking skills through fun, hands-on learning experiences designed specifically for their developmental stage. Let the baby come, as the Kingdom of Baby Shark Preschool belongs to them. Hashtag Baby Shark Special, hashtag Whale Class, hashtag Letter S, hashtag Counting Fun, hashtag Early Math, hashtag Early Learning, hashtag Learning Through Play, hashtag Fun Learning.